Hi, welcome. This is Learn Igbo on igboticnono, and in today's video, we're going to be learning about cross. Yes, we all, if you're a Christian, you know this image here, and it is cross in English language, but in Igbo language, you call it obe, 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 obe. That is what we call it in Igbo language. And now we're going to use some sentences that are figurative around it. Remember, I said if this video is not to differentiate religions, but because I teach Igbo language, I teach everything in Igbo language, so it does not even matter. So please, if you're not a Christian, if you don't believe in God, if you don't believe in this, feel free to see other videos I have, but please, no hating. I'm just teaching because I teach generally Igbo language, so nothing is off limits. Now we use some sentences as I said. Ejiri osisi mee obe. Ejiri osisi mee obe. Ejiri osisi mee obe means the cross is made with wood. Osisi, wood. Ejiri osisi mee obe. Ejiri osisi mee obe. Okay? And we have another one. Jesu buru obe. Jesu buru obe. Jesu buru obe. Jesu buru obe. Jesu buru obe basically means Jesus carried the cross. Jesus carried the cross. Jesus carried the cross. That is what it means. Oyi ntakịrị obe na olu ya. Oyi ntakịrị obe na olu ya. Some people use cross necklaces. Some people wear cross pendants or cross necklace. Oyiri ntakịrị obe na olu ya. Oyiri ntakịrị obe na olu ya. He or she is wearing a small cross on her neck. Olu is neck. Olu is neck. Oyi ntakịrị obe na olu ya. Ha tụkwasịrị obe n'elu akwụkwọ nsọ. Ha tụkwasịrị obe n'elu akwụkwọ nsọ. Ha tụkwasịrị obe na elu akwụkwọ nsọ. Ha tụkwasịrị obe na elu akwụkwọ nsọ. Ha tụkwasịrị obe na elu akwụkwọ nsọ means they kept a cross on top of the Bible. Bible in Igbo language is akwụkwọ nsọ, akwụkwọ nsọ. So now, ha tụkwasịrị obe na elu akwụkwọ nsọ means they kept cross on top of the Bible. Ha tụkwasịrị obe na elu akwụkwọ nsọ. 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 Okay? See, memorize this like you memorize TikTok video. It's very simple. If you know that the way you synchronize with the music they are singing and the dancing step, synchronize it like that. It's the same thing, okay? Follow my lips, okay? Ha tinyere otu obe na elu ụlọ ụka. 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 Ha tinyere otu obe na elu ụlọ ụka basically means they put a cross on the roof of the church. They put a cross on the roof of the church. Okay? Jesu nwụrụ na obe. Jesu nwụrụ na obe. Jesu nwụrụ na obe. Jesus died on the cross. Jesus died on the cross. Jesu nwụrụ na obe maka mụ na gị. 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 Jesus died on the cross for you and me. Jesus died on the cross for you and me. Akpọdoro Jesu na obe. Akpọdoro Jesu na obe. Akpọdoro Jesu na obe. Jesus was hung on the cross. Jesus was hung on the cross. Jesus was hung on the cross. Akpọdoro Jesu na obe. Akpọdoro Jesu na obe. Jesus was hung on the cross. Oba dị alọ. Oba dị alọ. Oba dị alọ. This cross is heavy. Oba dị alọ. This cross is heavy. Yes. You know, in many contexts, it can also vary. For example, when you have so many things you're going through in your life, in the phase in your life where you have so many things you're going through, it could be you lost somebody that is so dear to you, and after that you started having things to, you know, to cater for yourself because you no longer have help to do that with you. So when you're going through this problem, it's also a cross. It's also a cross because cross is heavy. God carried, you know, God carried the cross for us. God was crucified. Jesus was crucified on the cross, you know. So in another context, cross can mean when you have something you're going through, you know, you have a cross you're carrying. Cross can also mean when someone has a sickness, maybe a deadly sickness that he or she is going through. It can also be a cross, you know, obey. Do you understand? So guys, that is it. This brings me to the end of this video. I always forget in between my videos to tell you guys to subscribe to my channel. Of course, I believe you already know I want you to subscribe, okay? On this channel, I teach Igbo language and phrases and the vocabularies and sentences. Yes, you will learn it here. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.